Here are 4-piece camera screw adapters. What you're going to receive is 2 1/4-inch male to a 3/8 female, and you're also going to be receiving a 3/8-inch male to a 1/4-inch female. Now these are great for a variety of things. You can use it for a tripod or extender. For example, here I have a 3/8-inch male, but I need it for a 1/4-inch. So what you do is you screw it on, and now you've adapted from a 3/8-inch down to a 1/4-inch. Perfect. This also works the other way by making the 3/8-inch into a 1/4-inch. Just like that. Perfect. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.